If you are not allowed to buy a Tesla, you have to buy a heat pump air conditioner. This is really bad. As for the out-of-warranty Tesla air conditioner, it will definitely be bad. If you don't believe me, you will endanger the Tesla car owners around you. I drove from Shandong to Beijing to have his compressor repaired and the compressor removed. Open the rear end cover of the compressor and put it into the fire spindle to see if the fire spindle is broken. Pull out the bricks and clean them. Clean the stator coil. Put the bricks back. Welcome a new multinational selection and golden national selection. Assemble the crusher and remove the hot rod. All broken down. Wash aluminum organs with detergent. Pour some detergent to clean the heat exchanger. Use cleaning agent to flush the air conditioning pipes. The water that comes out will be black. Restore the heat sink and put it back again. Put the compressor back into Tesla. You have sold so many cars and made so much money. Why are the materials used in the compressor not so good? We have to practice compressors every day to earn money. I am so annoyed.